Hello, I'm welcome to SVP, and today we're back with another DIY maintenance guide on all BMW E9X series models. And today we're going to be showing you on this lovely BMW E93 M3. Well, we're going to start off with all things oil. So first, we're going to get this bonnet open. To do that, the bonnet release is located just down here. One simple pull, and as you can hear, bonnet's opened. Now you're in the engine bay. Your oil fill location is here, just on top of the engine. It takes 8.8 litres a total of 1060 Castrol Edge oil. Other than that, you have your oil filter here. This is torqued up to 25 Newton meters. Don't forget to oil up your seal ring before refitting. You also have two sump plugs on this car, and these are torqued up to 25 Newton meters. So now we're going to show you how to set the oil level on the iDrive. To do so, we're going to use the knob in the middle. We've got to go down to vehicle information, then vehicle status. Then you'll have the option to check your engine oil level. Now we're just going to get it up to operating temperature, then it will give us the option to check it. While we're waiting for the vehicle to warm up, I'm going to show you where your vehicle's toolkit is located. If you come to the back and open up your boot, like so, you can see a little slot here to get your finger in. Lift it up, you'll have your tyre inflator and a little toolkit here. This will have your towing guide and locking wheel nut key inside. So once your vehicle's up to operating temperature, you want to click on engine oil level and it will start measuring the oil, and as you can see, this one's okay. You can also check your oil level on the instrument panel here using the stalk, and as you can see, it's all right. Now back into the engine bay. Well, moving on to your air filter. To do this, you've got to remove 8 T25 screws located around this cover, and then your air filter will be just inside. Now moving on to some of your reservoirs, you'll see your power steering reservoir is located here. Next is your coolant. There's a little diagram here to show you how to check the level. Always make sure to check it when it's cold, and your screenwash is located just up here. Another thing to note is because your battery is located in the rear of this vehicle, you will have a positive located here, and you can use an engine earth here to charge your vehicle. Bay is your cabin filters. There's 4 in total, 2 per side, and they're all the same part number. To do that, you've got to remove these 2 covers, so the one this side and the one that side. These are done by removing a series of 8 more screws. Now moving on to wheels and tyres. This car's wheel torques are 120 Newton meters with a 10 Newton meter tolerance. Now moving on to tyre pressures, you will have a sticker telling you yours in the driver's door shut, just located here. So for this car, on fronts we have 245, 35, 19, so we'll be doing 2.4 bar on the front, and on the rear we have 265, 35, 19, which again means we'll be doing 2.4 bar. So that's all for these BMW E9X Series M3 models. We hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more DIY maintenance guides coming in the future. But other than that, we hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.